Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how can we choose a best gemstone for us. Uh, if you have a birth chart, then you can easily choose which gemstone is best suited for you. As per Vedic astrology, see here, as per Vedic astrology, these Kendra houses are 1, 4, 7, 10. If Lord is supportive to your ascendant Lord, means ascendant Lord is Mars, and the best supportive planet is Venus, 7th house Lord, and Moon, 4th house Lord. We will avoid the gemstone of 10th house because it's a sign of Saturn. So Mars and Saturn are enemic to each other. So we will choose the gemstones if its planets are well posited in the chart. So we can check here the moon is well posited in the house of Canes, and Venus is in a 12th house. So we will avoid the gemstones of 7th house. We will choose confidently the gemstone of only 11th this sign. So moon is in 11th sign, and it is in also in a 11th house. So 11th house is considered as the gains house. So we will choose the gemstone of moon. Secondly, the 1, 5, 9 houses are the trine houses in Vedic astrology. So we strictly emphasize on the 1, 5, 9 houses because these are the pillars of every horoscope. So here we can see the Lord of 1, 5, 9 houses are Mars, Sun, and Jupiter. So we can choose the 3 gemstone or any 2 gemstone out of these 1, 5, 9 houses. So here we can see Mars is in a 12th house, and it is also a Lagna Lord. But here in this case there are 2 aspects while choosing a gemstone of the Lagna, any best suited gemstones. If planet goes to a 6, 8, 12 houses and makes any connection with these houses, so it is preferable to avoid the gemstones which is connected with the 6, 8, 12 houses. So it can give a negative results. But if someone is suffering from any problems like a health problem or any problems like health problems or financial matters or any bigger problem, but you can emphasize only strictly to the health issues, because if a Lagna Lord makes a connection to the 6, 8, 12 houses, then it gives health issues. So if a person is suffering from the health issues, then you can suggest a gemstone of the Lagna Lord also. Secondly, the 5 and 9 houses are the best, also supportive to the Lagna Lord. So we can choose either red coral or the gemstones of 5 and 9 houses. 5 houses having a Leo sign, so we can choose a gemstone of Sun, ruby. It will be a ruby. And for the 9th house the Lord is Jupiter, so you can choose a gemstone of Jupiter also, which will be a yellow sapphire, citrine, or yellow topaz, and these are the best gemstones. But it is must to choose a right metal while preparing any gemstone to get a right results also. So these are the some basic methods to choose a gemstone according to the Vedic astrology. And in another case we will check the gemstone, how to select a gemstone as per the KP astrology. So friends, as we know, KP astrology is depends very working very perfectly on the basis of nakshatra and the significators of the houses. So this in this section we are particularly look the which houses or the which planets are signified by the planets. If a planet, any planet is signifying the good houses or improving houses, then we will select the gemstone of improving houses. So here you can see which are the improving and non-improving houses. Improving houses are the 1, 2, 3, 6, 10, 11, and non-improving houses are the 4, 5, 8, 9 and 12. So we can understand it in a better way. Let's move to a KP chart. So I'm going to show you how to check a gemstone as per a KP astrology. So friends, here these are the KP significators. Yes, these are the KP significators, and you can see Sun is signifying 9, Moon is signifying 8, 1, 6, 11, Mars is signifying 12, 4, 5, 4, 10, 5, 12 is signified by the Mercury. So we have to choose which planet is signifying the improving houses. We will reject the planet while choosing a gemstone which is indicating the non-improving houses, because if we select a gemstone of non-improving houses, then it may give you a problems. So again, which are the improving and non-improving houses? Non-improving houses are the 4, 5, 8, 9, 12, and improving houses are the 1, 2, 3, 6, 10, 11. So see, 1, 2, 3, 6, 10, 11. So here Sun is indicating 9, Moon is indicating 8, 1, 6, 11. So we will reject this gemstone because it is signifying 8 also, and Mars is signifying 1, 2, 4, 5. It could be a better, but we will check best out of the best gemstone. Mercury is indicating 4, 10, 5, 12, 7. So it is not much strong. Jupiter is 8, 1, 6, 11, 4. It is also indicating a 8th house. So we will not choose this gemstone. Here Venus is indicating 10, 8, 7, 6, 11. Saturn is indicating 9, 1, 3, 2. So 9, 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2 means improving signs. These are the significators. Improving houses are the 1, 3, 2, but 9 is still neutral. So you can choose in this case 9 also. So Saturn could be a good stone because it is not indicating 6, 8, 12 houses. So it could be a better gemstone. In another case, Rahu is indicating 4, 6, 5, 12. So we can't choose this gemstone because it is indicating 12th also, and Ketu is indicating 10, 12, 7. So friends, according to KP astrology, you have learned how planets are signifying the bad houses, while as per the Vedic astrology, we directly blindly choose the gemstone of 1, 5, 9 houses or Kendra houses. So I am not creating any doubt, but we have to be very precise while choosing a gemstone. If we have a very better tool like a KP astrology, so why can't we move for the precise prediction? KP is a very authentic, and now it's a phase to be very advanced also. So if you are looking for the better and the best of the best gemstones, so I would suggest you to check the gemstone as per the KP astrology, because houses, the significations of the houses by the planet is must while considering the good results of gemstone. If you choose the bad wrong gemstone and the planet is also signifying the bad houses, so you could get the bad results of the planet which is signifying the bad houses. So in this case you have to choose the best of the best gemstone which is indicating the improving houses. If still a planet is having a less number of improving houses like a Saturn is not indicating the all improving housing houses, but still it is indicating the 1, 3, 2 and 9 also. So you can choose this gemstone because this is a best gemstone out of all these planets. Secondly, the another method is KP in a KP astrology, which is a gemstone of Fortuna Lord. So you can easily check what is a Fortuna Lord. I have also made a post on this. You can check my YouTube channel to how to calculate the Fortuna Lord, because it is a concept of Western astrology. So you can go through my video how to calculate the Fortuna Lord, or you have any mobile application like AstroStage or any other, they can automatically calculate the Fortuna sign. So if you get the Fortuna sign, like this is a Fortuna sign, in this case Fortuna, this is a column of Fortuna sign, and Fortuna is Jupiter. So Fortuna sign lord is Jupiter. So in this case you can wear a gemstone of Fortuna also, which is yellow sapphire, citrine or yellow topaz. So here you can see Fortuna is also, because Fortuna is a sign. If any planets transits or any Fortuna Lord transits to a specific degree or good houses, then it brings a good results in life. So you can choose the Fortuna Lord also, but you have to check what Fortuna Lord is signifying. So Fortuna Lord is signifying 1, 6, 11, 4 and 8 also. So in this case you can get a results of, you could get a results of 8th house also. So but in my opinion you can go for the Fortuna sign gemstone also. So it will bring you good results. And another, so friends, I hope you got the best suggestion for the gemstone selection in this post. I hope you are getting much more knowledge from my channel. So I just want to say you that just follow me or subscribe me to get a notification for my upcoming post, and comment me for any suggestion or any feedback, because it is must for me, because I am working for you and I just demanding, just give me a feedback and your appreciation. It will help me to boost my confidence also. So thanks friends, we will meet in the next another post. Let's enjoy only.